better smash that thumbs up because I got a banger video for you today. What if I told you that people were making thousands of dollars per month posting on social media stupid little videos just like this? And what if I told you I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video? That's what we're going to be covering today. If it's your first time here, my name's Nathan Lucas. I've made over $1 million with affiliate products, promoting other people's products that I did not even own. You can see I won the 2 Comma Club award, and I have made thousands of dollars promoting multiple different types of affiliate products. But I know that you're not here for that. So let's dive into this video, and this is going to be awesome. I want to share with you how you can post these stupid little videos on social media, just like this one right here. This one that I'm showing you is Instagram, but you can also do this on TikTok as well. And people are making thousands of dollars. So I want to show you just a quick example of how stupid these videos are. So right here, you can see this footage is over water right here. They have something on the screen there, and it's super simple to create. So let's get into this and start creating it. The first place that you want to go to is Canva. And once you come into Canva, what you're going to want to do is click on or search at the top for an Instagram reel. Once you click on that and we wait for this to load, hit that like button. Thank you very much. What you're going to see here is a little video template. Now I'm going to show something with you that I like to do if you want a really cool aesthetic look. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this right here. I'm going to click on the color, and I'm going to change the background to black. And you'll see why here in just a minute. It's a really cool trick to make your videos look a little bit cooler. Then down here at the bottom, I'm going to drag this to about 7 seconds. And that seems to be the sweet spot when it comes to social media, is about 7 seconds. Then what you want to do is come over here to elements. And right here, what we're going to do is do a little search for aesthetic video. Once you see that, click on it. And then you want to select videos right here in the filter. Then you want to come up to this filter right here, click on this, and we want to choose vertical. And then you want to come down here, unless you have the pro version of Canva, which I do recommend you get pro, but a lot of people don't, and that's fine. Simply come down here and select free. And then if you back out of here, you are going to see all of these aesthetic videos that you can use to create videos just like I showed you, where these people are making thousands of dollars. It's really not that complicated, and we can make them for free. So let me show you how this works. I'll come back here, and let's just say I'll pop this one in here. All right, and now you're gonna see why I did the black background. It's a really cool trick. I'm gonna drag this up like this. I'm going to drag this down right here so it covers the whole canvas. And then I'm going to click on it, and then up here, I'm going to drag the transparency down to make it darker. And you can obviously do it as dark as you want, but it gives it that cool, dark aesthetic look that you see on social media. So if that's what you're looking for, that's the trick, how to do it really easily. Then what we want to do is come over to the left-hand side, and we want to click on add a heading. And then right here, we just simply add something cool, like let's just say the best method to make money, and then I'll say online. Okay, and I forgot my D there. There we go. Then you want to reposition this to about the center. And now we want to make this look a little bit better. So there's a couple of things that we can do. I'm going to click on it. And then what you can do is select effects right here. And we can choose the lift function, and I can drag that up all the way. And what that does is it just pops it out from the background a little bit to give it some separation. The other thing you can do, if I come back into effects, instead of lift, you can do a shadow, and then you would just simply select the dark, and you can do the blur right here, the transparency, you can bring it and change it, and then you can change the offset. I typically like doing lift for now. It just depends on what it is. YouTube thumbnails, when I make them in Canva, a lot of times I actually will do shadow. But for this, we're just going to do the lift feature. Now we're really going to make this cool. So if I click play right now, what you're going to see is a moving video, but it looks pretty plain. So we can spice this up a little bit. Now, even though the videos that I showed you over on Instagram are plain Jane, right? we can spice it up to make it more engaging, and we can do it really easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the text right here, and then I'm going to click on animate. And then some of these, I believe you have to have pro, but let's just say I do the typewriter, and to adjust the speed is a pro feature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this up so it goes a little bit faster, and now you can see it typing out, which is a really cool effect. So if I click play, we can take a look at this. Click play, and here you go. And that looks pretty cool, right? Now I want you to imagine, and you can see that it actually went too fast because the video is 7 seconds. So what we can do is we can slow that down. So I would come back here, and I actually do want that to be slower. So that way it takes up more of the video. So let's click play and see how this looks. Okay, there we go. All right, that's better. But what you can do is slow it down even more. Now, that function to make it faster or slower is part of the pro version. Just be aware of that, okay? And you could come in here and splice this up and edit it a little bit if you don't have pro, I think, to get around that. But it's a really cool function. So there we go. Super easy to do. And then all you would have to do is create more of these videos. I can come over here and we can create another page, and you can do it all at once and download them into different files, or you can create different projects. Now, if you want to take the next step with affiliate marketing, I'm also going to leave a link in the description for you to explore it even farther. That is my #1 way to start and grow a business online the fastest way possible. I'll leave that down below. So now the next part in this sequence here is we need to find something to promote as an affiliate, okay? How do we go from our page to then making money? And we can do that with affiliate marketing. So thing like ClickBank and get a product here, which you absolutely can do, all right? I do recommend private affiliate programs more than I recommend ClickBank. It's really up to you and what you're creating your videos about. And your product just needs to mesh seamlessly with what you're creating videos about and then what you're promoting as an affiliate. So what I recommend is going to a program called WAP, and they have a marketplace full of different affiliate programs that you can promote as an affiliate and make commissions. And a lot of times these are higher commissions. You can make more money than something like promoting tiny little Amazon affiliate commissions, okay? So I'm gonna leave the link down in the description for WAP. By the way, it's whopping 100% free to join WAP, okay? 100% free, it won't cost you anything, and you can start promoting as an affiliate. So the way that it works is once you create an account and you come to the Discover page right here, you're gonna see up here different categories that you can choose from. So right here, I chose social media. And let's say that you're creating content in those little videos on Instagram for having to do with social media tips, we'll just say, right? You can come in here and find a product that is relevant to that. So under this category, and you can start making money by promoting it. So the way that it works is, let's just say that I want to choose, this one's $250 a month, dang. So this one right here is $496. You'll start coming through here. You're going to click on it. It's going to show you the sales page. So if you promote this as an affiliate, this is the link that people are going to go to, right? And they have different options here, $40 a month, $400, and then one time $500. You scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see their affiliate program. So this affiliate program actually pays out 30% per sale. And if we come up here, I did see a monthly. So that would mean if someone is paying $40 a month, you're going to make a recurring commission, which is pretty cool, right? So you can make a little bit higher ticket or recurring. All you would have to do is click this button right here that says add to my affiliate dashboard. All right. Once I click that, if I go to my affiliate dashboard and inside your account, you're going to see something like this. So here's the one that I just added. You're going to see the award is 30%. And all I have to do is come over here and click on copy link. Okay. So I believe that copied. Once you have your affiliate link copied, now we need a way to put it in our bio on Instagram. So right here, you can see this one is Stand Store. Stand Store is not free. I'm going to share with you how you can do this 100% free. And that is through Beacons. And this is what it looks like right here. I will also leave the link to Beacons AI down below. It's free. It's free to use. I don't know why anyone wouldn't use it. So this is what this looks like. Once you create your account, you're going to have a free Beacons account like I do, just like this. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see link in bio and website, okay? And you're going to set this up. You would add a block. You're going to see it says add block. And what you want to do is click on the links portion. What that's going to do is bring up something like this. And now you can start building this out. And you're going to see on the right-hand side what it kind of looks like, right? But the link block would be, if I click here, all I'm going to do is paste that affiliate link that we just created from WAP. I'm going to click add, titles required. So I'm going to say, just for this example, let's just do social media blast off, just for the sake of this blast off. Okay. Now it's saved. And if someone comes down here, you're going to see that it created a link right here inside of my Beacons site right here, right? So now I have a link in bio, it's really cool, super easy to use, it's free. And then if you want to change the looks of this, you can even do that. I believe right here, if I click yes, the links, and you can see that it looks like a card right here. If I want to change that, I can click on classic. And now it's just a link right here. And if I wanted to change the text, all I would have to do is come right here. So you can see it added that, which I actually do want to leave, but let's just say I wanted to clean it up. Okay. I can actually get rid of that and clean it up a little bit. And now you can see it's just a link. Okay. Social media blast off. Obviously I would come back to WAP, and it is called media metas clips, right? So that's what you would actually put right there. Social media blast off was just an example, okay? And even if you didn't want the picture, you could click on this, and you could delete this if you didn't want the picture as well. But it is kind of cool that it brought over a picture. Let's just say, for example, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete it. And now we have a clean look right here. Now, what you could also do, and I don't recommend doing this for click-through rate, but you see it a lot, and you do have the option to do this. And that is right here, you could put the pricing. So if I come back here and I click on, let's go back to the store. And what you want to do is find the lowest price that they have, okay? Which is free. So someone can actually sign up. They have a free membership. So what we could do is we could actually say start for free in the sub headline. So I'm going to say start for free. I'm going to click off of that. It's going to save it. And now you can see the call to action in my Beacons is start for free. So pretty cool, right? I think this is a really great way to make money. People are making thousands of dollars. These faceless accounts, I will tell you, it's going to take you some time to gain traction. But if you could make thousands of dollars, like example, I know that, look at this person has made over $300,000 in 8 months. All right. That's crazy. And what does it take? Like, in all honesty, what does it take to make that kind of money? Well, how many posts did they make? This person made 257 posts. And the reality is most people aren't willing to post over 200 times. And if you do start this method, which I recommend you do, why not? If you start posting and you don't get the results within 20, 30, 40, 50 posts, most people quit. If you want to make money with this method, you have to keep doing it and know the result will come. That's my biggest advice to you. That is how I've been successful with affiliate marketing. And any other person that I see create success in any type of online business knows that you got to pay the price. If you're willing to pay the price, you're going to get the bag. All right. You can't just go straight to the bag. It does not exist. And that is the difference between successful people and unsuccessful people. Go watch this video next. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching this video. This is Nathan with Freedom Influencer. And of course, guess what? See you on the next video. Bye for now.